perfect party to end their Easter weekend celebration. My name is Casmar, and coming to you all the way from Drax Hall in St. Ann, it's Pree Dis. And for this half an hour, we have the baddest, the best entertainment right now in Jamaica and taking the guys across the world, of course. Hey, also Pree Dis in the building now, the party starting now. We can't wait for going and find out what's exactly like. So yo, this show, just sit back, relax. Pree Dis starts right now. Hey yo, Pree Dis is in the building. Daydreams is the name of the party. Ultra inclusive event of beer vibes. Right now I'm going to be talking to you guys about Smirnoff Beach Jouvert, which recently took place at the James Beach. Yo, if you miss it, a whole heap of paint, a whole heap of vibes, and soca music of course. Now Pree Dis was on location to make sure that you guys capture the vibe, capture the hype. So don't move a muss if you want to catch up on all the highlights. Pree Dis have it here right now. Yo, watch your face say. James is the party now. Hey, don't look for my cranberry juice, it's mine. Alright, I'm going to be talking to you guys about now is Destra. She is our celebrity interview this week, you know. She recently wowed the crowd at Beach Jouvert with an awesome performance. Talk up to Destra, you know. And of course, she even got an award from the Bacchanal promoters, the Jamaica Bacchanal promoters. So big up yourself right there. Now Destra, I want to tell my firstborn child, you know. I don't understand what you're waiting on. But Kevin Jackson, our producer, he caught up with her recently. So of course, she's going to get the lowdown on exactly what's going on in Destra's career and her life. Destra, talk to her, man. Yeah, drink and burn now. Daydream!
This is the season. Don't walk from your way. When we talk, when we talk, when we talk, when we talk. Take it on any reason. Anyway, you want great away.
Soca Vanguard Award presented to Destra Garcia. Destra, how do you feel about getting this award?
Well, I'm shocked. I'm happy. I don't know. I'm so elated. I'm lost for words. I'm happy. Nobody has ever done this for me. I mean, I've gotten awards for competitions. I've gotten, you know, a lot of awards for female songwriter and things that, you know, are basic. That, you know, you're in line. It's a competition. You're gonna get that. But for somebody to just give me an award out of the goodness of their heart and to just love me from Jamaica people, a body like that, that is amazing. That is amazing. I'm gonna cherish this with all my heart.
And you certainly did mash up the place earlier on. Now, with this award, what would you say have been your career highlights? What have been the standout points for you thus far?
Well, this would definitely be one of them. Every single award that I've won, I know that I've earned it with hard work, whether it's been Female Songwriter of the Year, which I've won in like 5 years in a row. Let me see. Performing anywhere, that has been amazing. I'm working on 2 tracks with RF Cooper right now. I'm probably going to work with different people because I have a lot of links now here. But I'm doing a reggae track and I'm doing a dancehall track that I'm going to make part of my album. And from now on, there's always going to be Jamaican music on my album because I really do feel like I'm a part of Jamaica. Ever since I've known myself, I've been a singer. My parents told me that since I was like 3, I've been entertaining and singing songs, like covering songs that they've been playing on the well, back then it was cassette player. You know, so when they play songs like from Diana Ross with Aretha, Bob Marley, my father was a Rasta man, proud to say, and you know, he's still a Rasta man. And every time he play Bob Marley, I mean, trust me, I know every single Bob Marley song. And I've been singing over these songs, like just when people come across, you know, it's like, Destra sing. And they use me as the entertainment for the household. And I love music. I've been on stage since I was 10, and since that moment of getting the crowd cheering for me, I knew that this is what I want. My parents kind of wanted me to go academic, or else I couldn't continue my music. And I did go academic. I speak 3 languages. I did physics and geography. I was supposed to be a pilot, but music was my calling.
Talk to us about being a mother, how it has impacted on your career. What kind of sacrifices have you had to make being a mother and juggling a career?
Yeah, well, the biggest sacrifice for me is leaving my daughter, you know, because we're so close. She reminds me of a little me. You know, she was born singing, because since she came out the womb, she was like crying in a melody. You know, and I was like, wow, this child has some lungs. As a matter of fact, she has a greater range than me. Because when she screams or she cries, it's like, ah. And I try to mimic her, but I can't. She loves everything. She has vibes already. And trust me, when she hear, you know, Jamaican music, she's like, you know, in time. And I'm like, yeah. But I'm not going to push her into music unless that's what she wants, you know, because every mother wants their child to do what they do. But whatever she does, I'm going to support her. She's been my biggest challenge. You know, being a mother is hard, you know, because you want to make sure your child is on the right path. And leaving her, I feel like I'm missing out on her life a little bit. But she's with my mom, and my mom did a great job with me, so she's the only person that I trust. Yo, this is Destra. Yo, tell you, say, me good in Jamaica, you know. That's the best Jamaican accent I could do. But anyway, keep it locked. You're looking at Pree Dis. And Destra say, don't go nowhere. You hear me say?
Hey, yo, Pree Dis in the building, and it's all about Daydreams. So what I want to talk to you guys about is May. Yeah, man, every Friday in May, it's all about May days at the Raddy William Entertainment Center in Kingston. She can't whine it. I'm going to kill her now. I'll kill her now.
Yo, everyday dreams, I'm here. I'm a Daydreams bunny, baby.
Girl, you sure? I know your first one. All right, it's all about milk right now. So it's Appleton May days every Friday in May. Let me repeat it. Every Friday in May, it's all about May days. Now you want to get up to speed with what's going on in the country, what's going on in the calendar. The Pree Dis events calendar got it down lock. So you watch the pre-man.
Yo, cash flow. Hey, Neil. This one for every youth a straight and I think straight. Hey, cause some boys sick. Yo, we not care who some boy love, but I'm not man for real. I'm a catty, baby X got one for sure. Give me the woman they make us and that man we pray. My locks a boy can plot one for me. No boy can't ramp with man like how them play with them catty. No boy for her can put them on in me not say. No boy can shot me locks so me a wash it and a flash. When you carry secret for boy lock it. No boy can't play with man like how them play with them catty. No boy for her can put them on in me not say. No boy can shot me locks so me a wash it and a flash. When you carry secret for boy lock it. Slow no boy can ramp with man and women it. From the link funny rock it off like we said.
Here what me say now, if you miss Daydreams, you know, you miss something. But I never take a short commercial break. I trust me, if you go back in the party now, we're talking about fashion crazy. Liquor there, everybody who is anybody is here. So let's take a short commercial break. When we come back, more Pree Dis. We're so forward.